Hey, what's up guys? For this video, I just want to do a quick unboxing of this garden hose splitter here. So pretty straightforward, nice brown box. Comes in this plastic bag. And that is sealed, so we open that. Alright, and it is a really nice heavy duty brass. The handles are nice dipped vinyl. Those feel really nice. They feel tight. I know I've had, you can get some of the handles sometimes they just feel really loose. This feels durable, good quality. It comes with different washers. So if you lose them, break them, whatever, you can have some different washers. And then, yeah, just the overall look of it and feel of it. It's heavy duty and nice. I'll do another video once I actually install it.